Bajaj Capital takes care of a comprehensive portfolio of the client. So we take care from the goals which they have, like the child education, marriage, children marriage, daughter marriage, asset building, buying a car, or planning a trip abroad, all kind of, and of course retirement planning, which one of the key goal which every individual have. So we suggest, we advise our clients how to go about, and in this journey with the client, we do a comprehensive analysis of the client portfolio through WealthMax. So just to brief you out what WealthMax is, it is one of the best industry portfolio review AI enabled tool which Laping and Bajaj Capital have as on date for their clients. And what we do in WealthMax is like we take care of the client portfolio, how they have invested, what kind of right decision they have made in investing, and if there is any corrective measures to be taken. So we recommend through our analysis through WealthMax portfolio review process. So, and these are some of the key features which we have, like which of course I believe that most of the industry processes won't be having. So one of the best feature which we have in WealthMax is overlapping. So what is overlapping, friends, is just to brief you out, friends, what is overlapping is like if there are certain number of schemes which is running in every individual portfolio. So if a particular portfolio consists of 10 funds, and in that these 10 funds, if there are overlapping of schemes in the portfolio, so by doing the analysis of these portfolio, what we suggest is that we can reallocate or we can reshuffle from these fund to this particular fund, which best optimize the portfolio return of an individual. So this is how we go about, friends. So this is one of the best key features which we have in WealthMax. Apart from this, there are other correlations, comparative returns which we do in WealthMax, and market insights which is on the go on daily basis, which we suggest. So n number of features are there in WealthMax portfolio review, and once we go through the journey, we will update clients how to go about. So as the name suggests, WealthMax is creating wealth for the client.